Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I've been looking for a thin storage cabinet for some time now, and I found the perfect thing. This is actually a shoe storage cabinet, and it has this wonderful, sleek, flip down drawers. This one is a rustic oak finish that really looks elevated and classy. Yes, it's a shoe storage cabinet, and it can hold up to actually 32 pairs of shoes and hide it away beautifully. But shoes are not my intention for this gorgeous unit. I wanted it for storing various household items like seasonal table runners, mats, cloth napkins, other light things. There's my napkins. There's my table runners. There's my mats. Perfect. I love that it has huge capacity without bulk. It has the flip drawers, so I could put quite a few things in there, dust-free, pet-proof. I like that it's a narrow profile, so I can fit it in the spaces that I need. It looks custom, but it's priced economically. So it's narrow enough so you can put it in hallways if you want. It has the nice top rail, so you can easily decorate houseplants or a nice caddy for your keys by the door. I love that it has the wooden elevated legs, so it looks more like a furniture type style. And it's so easy to put together. It's step-by-step instructions. Took an hour and a half, 2 hours max to put this together and place it in here. But it's heavy enough that it stays in place. And it has the anti-tip kit, so you can attach it to the wall so the pets won't knock it over or you won't knock it over when you walk by. The metal hinges, very smooth to open. And you can actually open up some space, take out the middle board, and have a little bit extra space for the bulkier items. Or leave it in there for, your shoes or your different storage items. I love that it's a beautiful piece of furniture. It's an interesting storage piece. It fits in multiple spaces, and it's even good for shoes. We love it.